While Madison didn't see nearly as much rain last night, many homes and businesses are still cleaning up after the heavy storms earlier in the week.
And our Keely Arthur shares some simple ideas to keep your home from getting damaged and what to do if it already is, Keely.
Right. This is the last thing people want or plan for, but flooding does happen, especially with the stretch of weather we just had. If you were lucky enough to avoid the flood damage, though, there's some things you can do to make sure it stays that way. With severe weather hitting much of our area, sites like this aren't uncommon. That's where Hannah Nice and the team at Aquire Restoration come in.
The homeowners are already in a state of panic. You know, this is their house. You have one team delivering equipment, one team doing the scoping the jobs, and you work all night.
She says simply drying the damaged area out can take weeks.
You have to figure out, are the walls wet? Is the carpet wet, if there's carpet? You know, and then you have to figure out if the carpet can be saved.
You can save yourself, though, by taking some preventative measures.
To make sure that your yard is graded, you know, make sure that's at a nice level grade, that it's not going towards the house, it's going away from the house. Same with any gutters, downspouts, make sure that they're far enough away from the house where that, you know, it's coming out and not going right back into your basement.
But if you do experience flood damage, instead of working on it yourself, have an expert check it out. It will be worth it in the end.
If you miss a spot in your house that's wet and you didn't know it was wet, a lot of times what can happen is you'll get the mold.
Now, another simple reminder is to check your sump pump. The float piece can get stuck from time to time, and if it's stuck during a storm, it can lead to some serious flooding.
Keely Arthur reporting for us tonight. Keely, thank you.